Have you noticed how clouds in the summer sometimes look quite a bit larger than other times of the year? Well, it's not just your imagination, and it boils down to a pretty simple physics principle. Let's talk about this. As air temperature rises, air molecules like you see around me start to get more excited, and that means they move more quickly, expand outward in their reach, and causes the air to become a little less dense. Well, when we apply that to the atmosphere, it has an impact on how high the atmosphere can grow, specifically the troposphere. That's where we have the weather happening in the layer of the atmosphere where we live, up to a point where the air actually starts to get warmer with height. Within that, that's where we find clouds. Well, when we look at the winter months when the temperatures are cooler, believe it or not, that troposphere will shrink down to about 7 miles in height over our portion of the world. However, at the North and South Pole, that can get to as little as 4 miles in height. Meanwhile, when we get to the spring and summer months, the air warms. Therefore, the atmosphere expands like a dome over our region, reaching a height of up to 11 miles above the surface. That means the clouds can expand a bit further. And when it comes to thunderstorms, those thunderstorms can reach dizzying heights up to 60,000 feet. That means they can hold a whole lot more moisture than other times of the year. And we can also get quite a bit of hail once we get up to those colder parts of the storm.